Oh yeah.
I'm not gonna share it.
What? Are you in trouble?
Yeah, good. How you doing? Yeah.
Yo, listen, how motherfucker?
No, mother.
I can't come outside today. Fuck, man.
He's stupid. That dude's stupid.
I'm gonna pull up to ABS. I'm like, I didn't see your car outside, man. Yeah, I can come on and put it through. You gonna be like, ask you later. I told my girl I was taking out the trash. Why I told your motherfucking ass, boy, you don't listen, why? You got a 14 or 15?
That telephone was hard as fuck.
You got a 14 or 15 already?
14 or 15, what are you trying to do?
Take that fucking key line.
Ah, you should have did that first. I gotta get it. I don't say get aggressive.
The monkey has a fucking monkey wrench, huh? Oh man, edit that out.
Ah, you keeping that in. We two monkeys working on the M50, baby. Go.
I'm like, I've never seen that before. So much black power. Take that, youngin. I get a 22 for the, so I can put that top there.
Oh, you want to turn the crank?
Yeah. Not bad. Hi, y'all. M50 on the Disassembly. Alrighty, so we getting somewhere. We got it at top dead center. We got the timing blocks on, and I already marked up that little piece right there for the front.
You want the impact?
I got one. Thanks. So
I can start taking
these off. Once these come on, zip tie. Is it tight? Alright, we got that, we got that. I ain't see that. Now, we gotta get this tensioner off. So I'm gonna take the tensioner off. And then once I take the tensioner off, this will come off and voila. So let's get it. Oh yeah. Now we're taking these cams off. Don't do this one because this has the pressure on it. And then keep going with these. Keep going. Feel it? Sorry, hit these two. See, I'm killing it. Half turn. No, come back. We'll get those. Keep going till they off, and then we can start working the last two. I can start taking these off. We can start working. And once you work your way down.
You want another bag?
No, we can put those in there. We're doing all hooks. All the shit that goes to the heads. Killer got a bag. Killer got a bag. And you can start getting these working this. Got it up. Slave songs already.
Not even.
Down by the river.
That I'm on the phone.
Getting these cams off, y'all.
You want to talk about slave song? I mean, we can bring out a song from The Color Purple if you want.
Oh yeah. So see how to lift this thing, you see? Or you gonna put it on the table and then put them in? It don't matter if you mix them up.
That's the orientation. They go right back where they come. Aren't they shim different?
That's better. A little different over here in Germany.
And I know the trick to put these back all by the side.
Oh, you do the magnet. Gotta do it the torque sequence with the zero and strip.
That's how I switched them out too, in the sequence, one by one. What size are those again?
Intake. You put the E. Right there.
No, I meant the ARPs.
Oh yeah. Oh, there. Take this head off, y'all. See what the real problem is. You got the gun?
Oh, yours died, huh?
Yeah. All right, cool. Time to pull the head off. Is you ready, dog? 1, 2. Damn.
Question is you ready? Alright, let me see if I can give her a little persuasion on the flathead, man.
Yeah. That thing is on there.
This is one of those soft gaskets, and it probably welded itself to the...
There you go.
I don't know if you need to do it from the front.
I think it came up a little bit. I think it came up a little bit.
That guide, we gotta what? Tilt it? Well, I'll get you guys anyway. Your side. Over the camera. Wonder they got like almost 11 compression.
Check it out, y'all.
Nah. Melted piston.
Oh shit, it did. Damn. Yep. Damn.
Looks like I'm boring the block and getting some pistons.
Mm-hmm. They got a border block, get some pistons, dog. So there it is, y'all. Heads off. Head's fun. You don't see no problems here, but when you get over to the block, piston 1, that's fine. 2, that's fine. 3, that's fine. 4, that's fine. 5, that's fine. 6. Damn, look at that. M6 got a little hole in it, man. So yeah, that needs to get fixed. See, man, the block needs to be rebuilt. So that's gonna be next. Block gonna be rebuilt. I don't know what track day it's gonna be, but soon. And this car is gonna be back out there ripping. ZF on the flow. And that means it's time for me to go. Peace. Till the next episode.